Hey everybody. Oh Lord, where to begin? I don't know, a couple of you probably noticed I tried to post my videos, the break of Bowman Sterling, which I bought, and Unparalleled Football, and when I got those uploaded, I realized my microphone was not working. Now, miraculously, it seems to be working now. Hopefully, when I test this before I try to post it, it will be working. What I was telling you in those videos is that I was going on vacation, but that I had ordered the new releases, Archives Baseball and Chronicles Baseball, to come here to where I am in North Carolina. And I was hoping that I would have a good place to open this. The light here in here is really, really bad, but I think it'll be good enough to just so you get the gist. There's like a big light right above this. I mean, I can see it. It's just not going to be the best quality, but I think I'm going to go ahead and do it anyway. Yeah, this has been a crazy couple of weeks. Started off in a hotel that looked good online. Everything looked fine. And got there and it was just trash. I mean, just crazy bad. So moved to a nicer place and things started to get a little bit better. So hopefully I don't drag that bad luck into these box breaks. And I was worried about these because, you know, with UPS you never know when they're coming. And it's been raining here, like pouring down every day. So I was afraid that, you know, these would get damaged or wouldn't be delivered to the right address because it's a different address. But luckily, there they are. And I just realized I don't know how I'm going to open them. So let me grab something to open these with. Alright. Luckily, I brought a little tiny pair of scissors. I don't know why, but they're going to come in handy. So let's talk about the cards instead of this absolutely crazy trip. The deal with Archives. This is a full hobby box. There are 2 on-card autographs per box. These will probably make it into the store. I've got a little bit of downtime today. I don't know. Well, I'm going to be here a couple of more days. So I don't know. If I have more downtime, I'll probably go ahead and load them into the store. I mean, at least the hits anyway. I can't guarantee about anything else. How many packs are in here? Let me find out. Hang on. 24, so it's going to take a good minute. Pretty plain packs, look at that. Although I like that, just looks very vintage retro. Let's do this. Oh, hang on, still got to save a good pack for my pack collector friend. So these look a lot like last year's, a whole lot. Castellanos, Schwarber, D. Gordon, Scooter, Rosario, Future Star, Miles Mikolas, Machado, and Cedric Mullins rookie. I think these were 93 tops, that original design. Walker, Lemon, Chris Shaw rookie. De Los Santos, Future Star, Jimenez, Dansby, Reyes, and Trey Turner. Yeah, this light's terrible. I'm sorry, guys. I'm doing the best I can under the circumstances. I thought about just having these delivered to my house and then breaking them when I got home, but I don't know. This seemed like the right thing to do at the time. Giolito, Berrios, Bader, Yelich. There's Aaron Judge. That's a nice card. Ichiro. What is this? It says Archives Ichiro 2001, 2018. It says reprint I-13. So I guess that's an insert. Altuve and Abreu. You know, I really didn't want to wait to open Chronicles. Matter of fact, I'm going to buy some more today, and hopefully it'll be at the house by the time I get home. There's a Castanero rookie. And there's Rowdy rookie. Moran Severino. 19 highlights. Josh throws immaculate inning. Roger Clemens, Joey Votto, Arcia. Man, I hope this microphone's working. If it's not, I don't know what I'll do. I'm not going to post. I thought about going ahead and posting those videos with no sound. I mean, I guess I still could. Gary Carter. Although I could also I may just go home and do like a recap. Gary Carter, Fisk, Snell, Catfish Hunter. There's another Ichiro reprint. I don't remember what year Topps this was. I'm wanting to say maybe 2008. Or wait, or maybe it's older than that. Okay, the stats here go through 2002, so this must be 2003, I guess. There is Corey Seager, Brandon Crawford, and Cal Quantrill rookie. Is that a different Cal Quantrill? What am I thinking of? Huh. Anyways, still looking for an autograph. There's not going to be any game used in here. Randy Johnson. Really nice looking Ted Williams. Stargell. Arenado. Shohei. Here's an insert. Chris Bryant. Topps Magazine. Nice. This reminds me of those Sports Illustrated cards that came out in the 90s. Josh Bell and Syndergaard. Austin Riley rookie. Scherzer. Pham. Kaboom! Mookie Betts. 18 All-Star Selection Sport Magazine. I think that's just a subset. Alcantara. Nemo and Mazzara. I always call him Mazzara. I already got a lot of cards here. Let me stack these up. Alright, moving on. Johnny Bench. Tomei. Eddie Murray. DeGrom. Ashburn. Another Topps Magazine. Bryce Harper. Dizzy Dean. And John Smoltz. Jake Cave rookie. Kyle Wright rookie. Tony Gwynn. Pettit. Duggar rookie. Oh, nice. Pete Alonso. This is made like the Jeter Topps rookie. That style, that design. Yeah, that's cool. Alright. Adames and Eddie Matthews. Doby, Sutter, Thurman Munson, Jeff Bagwell, Matsui, Topps Magazine, Pedro Martinez, Griffin Canning, and Bobby Doerr. Pujols, Iglesias, Goldie, Benintendi, 18 highlights, Ohtani, Dakota Hudson rookie, Lindor, and Warren Spahn. Get it where you can actually see it. It's so dark in here. And of course there's one lamp behind me that the light bulb doesn't work. Although this hotel, I can't even complain. It is 5,000 times better than the first one. Oh, Red, Trevor, Josh, Hader, Deion Sanders, Ty Cobb, Sport Magazine, Arenado, Justin, and Jose. Reggie Jackson, A-Rod, excuse me, a really young A-Rod. Keyline, Enos Slaughter, Nick Senzel, rookie. Stuck together with a Colby Allard rookie, Ryan O'Hearn, and Rock Reigns. Sada, Kevin Kramer rookie, Mookie Betts, Josh James rookie, Michael Kopech rookie, Juan Marshall, excuse me again, Robin Yount, and my man Mike Piazza. This was when he was a little bit not bearded, no mustache, no beard, or actually it looks like he has like just a little 5 o'clock shadow. Cool though, nice. Add that one to the PC. Still looking for our first autograph here. Marte, Guzman, George Kell, Josh Donaldson. First one is Bill Gullickson. Little Expos action. Didn't expect that. It says 50 years. Nice. Here's the back. 50th anniversary Expos autograph. Alright, nice. Here's Mr. Babe Ruth, Ricky Henderson, and Clemente. So one vet auto, maybe the other will be a rookie. Dadgummit, dropping my cards. Guess that doesn't change wherever I go. I'm always going to drop my cards. Buxton, Polanco, Springer, Winker, Zach Greinke, looking a little crazy there. There is a Maury Wills Expos just 50th anniversary insert parallel. Nice. Okay. Set that aside. Kiermaier and Nola. Bowers rookie, Cepeda, Suarez, Baez, Perez, Ozzie Smith, Topps Magazine, George Brett, and Bogarts. Freeman, Smoke, Mathewson, Blackman, Kane, David Ortiz, parallel of some sort. Looks, in this slide it looks either blue or purple. It is numbered out of 175, right about here. You probably can't see it in this light. That's good. Kyle Tucker rookie and Johnny Mize. Alright, Kluber, Albies, Avila, Walker Buehler, Margot, Senzel again. This one has a little bit of a bad, oh no, it's okay. Killebrew and Markakis. Muncy, Diaz, Renfro, Piscotty, Haniger, Kyle Wright rookie, Billy Hamilton, and Andujar. Just a couple more to go. Myers, Urena, Hosmer, Brad Keller rookie, Ichiro, Urias rookie, Santana, and Aguilar. Alright, 3 packs and still looking for one more autograph. Where will it be? Who will it be? It's a mystery. Andrews, Cole Tucker rookie, Devers, Tony Perez, Boudreaux. There it is, Fred Stanley. So 2 vet autos. Topps Archives Fan Favorites autograph. Not numbered, neither was the other. But that's cool. I'm okay with 2 vet autos. That's kind of fun. De Jong and Martinez. Rizzo. There's Mike Trout. Ott, Sandberg, Lowe rookie. Ichiro, highlights, McCovey, and Kiner. And our last pack. Last pack, baby. Duffy. There's Tatis Jr. rookie. Again, I'm not getting any Vlad Jr. What's happening? It's like he just skirts around me. Talion, Stroman, Chris Sale, Cabrera, and yonder Alonso. And that is it. About what I expected out of Archives. I really thought one of the autographs was going to be a rookie, but that's okay. It's not a big deal. That's it. I'm going to have Chronicles for you soon. Now it's time for me to test this out and see if we can hear my southern twang coming through this microphone. Everybody take care. Hope you're having a good day. Bye.